What's up, everybody?
Hi.
Initial Dweebs, episode 2. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to rip apart this engine and see if it's good enough for a rebuild. Pull the front end off of this, and that's probably it. So let's see what happens. Alright, everybody. We're going to get this thing hoisted up here, put it on this engine stand, and then we're going to pull the head off and see what we're working with here. What do you think about that, Sage?
I think it's a great idea.
What about you?
I don't.
You fucking dick. Alright, so we got the valve cover off, Casey got the ITBs off, got the front part of the motor off. We're basically working with rocks and sticks here because we have no frickin' tools, but we're trying to make the best of what we got.
Well, this here is your problem. You got a Phillips head screwdriver in your head.
Yeah, I think that came factory in there. But who knows? The head looks okay. It's kind of sludgy in here. Well, guess we'll have to see what happens when we take the head off and look at the cylinder walls. I've been putting all of my stuff here, poking holes in this box, and then I'm going to zip tie like this girdle and zip tie everything to this so it's all in the same place so I don't have to like lose it or anything. But yeah, we're going to get back into it. Right. So we got the head bolts out. Now is the final moment that you're all waiting for to figure out if this engine is in fact fucked. Okay.
You ready?
Are you ready? Uh-oh.
Just kidding.
Damn it. We gotta get that 10 out. Alright, for real this time. Let's try it out. Let's see what we got here. Shit, I didn't think out where I'm gonna set this. Thanks, Creeper. Okay. Some water in this bitch.
How's it look?
I'm not sure. I see a line. It doesn't feel very grooved. Oh, I gotta get this head gasket off. I hate graphite gaskets for that. There was something in the coolant. Looks like RTV in the coolant jackets, which is pretty sketchy.
That looks good.
This
looks good.
Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna grab some paper towels and then we're gonna figure it out from there.
What's going on?
So I cleaned all the I cleaned out all the coolant, so I'm just kind of spraying it off with the brake clean, and then gonna try to feel for a groove in here. It feels. You can see there's like a little lip here. It doesn't look. It's not a lip. There's like a little line here, but you can't feel any lip or anything. So I think it's good. So my worst fear is to have to get 0.5 over pistons, because they're expensive and I don't want to have to bore this out and then buy those pistons. I want to reuse these ones, so I'm really hoping that there's no ridges or grooves at the very top of the cylinder.
Well, if you have the curse of the Z, you're going to have to do the most expensive option. So, we're going to find out. Alright.
Right in my fucking eyes!
God! You shit?
Just let you know you're alive, buddy. Alright, cylinder walls look good. There's no I'm gonna take my glove off for this one.
Huh.
Let's see. There's no real lip.
What's that off to the right there? Right of your finger.
Where here? Assist here?
Yeah.
There's-
Oh, is it a hair?
Yeah. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Let's rotate the engine so. Ooh. That's some shit rings right there.
Dope.
See all that fucking oil come out?
Yeah.
Let's see here.
How these ones look? Seems like they're okay.
Yeah, they all look pretty good, actually. I think it's savable.
Dope.
Yay!
You didn't fuck it.
All right, everybody. That's a wrap. Got the engine out. Cylinder walls look good. I'm going to flip it around next time. Check the bearings. Make sure that those are good. If those check out, I'm going to have this sent out. I'm going to have the cylinders honed. I'm going to get new bearings, new rings, get the bottom end put back together. But in the meantime, the next video will be stripping down the bay and getting it ready for paint. So
You also might order a new attitude at that time as well.
can't. Too expensive. Peace.